Now, let's be honest here for a second, the S23 ULTRA was great, but it didn't bring anything new to the team. But it's supposedly going to change with the S24 ULTRA.
And starting with the fact that the S24 ULTRA is now gaining a 750 nit peak brightness upgrade, which brings it up to 2500 nits of peak brightness, which is huge. And the S24 ULTRA has also gained some weight, now being at 233 grams in weight. And it is most likely because it has developed this titanium frame, which gives it a premium build, nice quality, and also much better durability in my opinion, because titanium phone frames are one of the parts on phones where it gets easily stretched, and that's also have happened to me. So with a titanium frame, it's going to be much more durable with it. Also, probably one of the most important aspects or upgrades in my opinion is the 50 megapixel 3x optical zoom, which has gone up from 10 megapixel lens, so a 5 times in zoom upgrade. So it's gonna bring a 5 times optical zoom level in Nice Universe's opinion, and also has much better detail thanks to being 50 megapixels. So all of those portrait shots and those zoom shots are going to be nice and crisp and detailed.
Also in the news, the S24 ULTRA is rumored to come with a flat display in a Samsung flagship phone in years. And obviously Samsung is getting a lot of hate for this from the tech community, including myself.
And after a few years, the 16GB RAM option is now back, and I'll hope to see you in the next one.